According to some international experts, the 2022 Winter Olympics stands out as it both provided a stage for the world's top winter sports athletes, and also highlighted China's efforts to host a safe and sustainable global-scale event.
Despite the fears about how the COVID-19 situation could be controlled, they have been able to show that it is indeed possible for the games to take place in the manner that they took place. China has demonstrated that they have been able to bring the world together. Most importantly, it goes on record that certain novel ideas have been implemented, and I think the world is moving forward. And there is a lot that the world is going to learn from those winter games. Going green for the games again is a demonstration of how the Chinese want to lead the way in terms of how we deal or mitigate on the challenges of global warming.
It is the only city in the history of the Olympics that has hosted both summer and the winter Olympics, successfully bringing all athletes from all over the world together in the same city within the span of, I would say, 14 years. It's quite an achievement. That is a very successful event. It's a commitment. It's a commitment towards achieving green energy in the world, basically, and China is leading. They have done a fantastic job for reducing this pandemic and a clean sports.